Hello there, you're welcome to this tutorial. So we're going to create a very simple and short shade flyer. All right, so we're going to do that. It's going to be pretty quick. Let's try to see how we can make that pretty quick. All right, so if you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. This is your first time here on this channel. Like this video, share this video to other people so that they get to know about this channel as well. And all that will also motivate me to keep creating exceptional and valuable tutorials for you continually on this channel. Thank you for doing that. Hit the subscribe button if you have not done that. If you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please subscribe. If this is your first time, you're welcome to Chris Graphics tutorials. Subscribe also. So like I've said, we're going to do a church flyer. So let's just go straight to the background editing tool here. Hit the image size and we're going to make this 1080, and this is going to be 1350. Hit OK, and let's get this off. Once that is done, so I'm just going to bring in background from gallery. I'm going to hit on this and then I'll check my pins, and let's get in this background. So hit OK. I'm just going to drag it, just enlarge it to fit in. So once this fits in, so the other thing I want to do is click the what's it called, this is the object tool, hit color filters. I'm just going to make this kind of like not red entirely, but okay, something like red, something like this. Yeah, saturation, reduce saturation, contrast, let's see. No, I have to reduce the contrast also. Hit OK. So this is what I want, so I'll just lock this. Okay, so now that this is locked, I'm just going to bring in, you can get any church logo. All right, so some of these exclusive, if I'm using a real maybe logo or a real person, sometimes I wouldn't want to load the resources for you. You just go get any logo that you can make use of. So let's check. I think I have. All right, so this is the logo I was looking for. Just hit OK. So I'll put the logo right here. Okay, this is a church logo. So I'll just take this logo, just make it white. All right, so we're going to bring in, okay, this ministry presents. So I'm going to write presents, and then let's say presents. It's okay. Put it right here as well. Presents. Then the fonts. Let's make the fonts. Montserrat regular. Then I'm going to increase the spacing and then position it well here. Just shift it in a little. I think it's positioned well. Presents. Now I'm just going to bring in the pastels image. So I'm going to go to this, and then this is Pastor W.F. Komoyi, Pastor Deeper Life Bible Church. I'm going to just crop out this part and rotate it like this. You can see how it is. So I think I can reduce it a little bit. And go to color filters. What I'm going to do, not really saturation. Can just increase the saturation a bit because of the background. Okay. Then brightness, you reduce the brightness also because of the background. Contrast, can just increase the contrast a little bit, okay? So I'm going to copy this and click crop and flip it, hit okay. So it has flipped it. Then I'm going to just tilt it like this and take the second one below the first one. Let's see. Alright, this ordinarily is supposed to be another image, okay, but I have made it this. So I'm just going to click shapes and change the color to transparent and choose this other gradient transparency we had created earlier. Alright, so if you have not followed the series, make sure you follow the series. Check the channel to see the series we've been working with. Alright, so I'm going to reduce this, put it here, copy this, and I'm going to reduce it again, put it here. I think it's almost okay, so I'm going to copy this and reduce it and put it here. Okay, let's take it up a little bit. Awesome. All right, so who is this person? This is Pastor WF Kumui. So I'm going to just put this right here and Pastor WF. Pastor. Let me write WF Kumui. Okay. So that we can have two lines of this. Ash. Alright, so go to text editing tool and I'm going to change the font of this to is it okay here? I'm not going to look for another one again. Let's go with this. So I'm just going to reduce the line spacing with Pastor WF. Come away. So I'm going to write with like text. I'm going to write with like this. So I'm going to change the font. Change the font to change the font. Okay. Okay, I think I saw script there. Let me check. Last scripts. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. I really need the font that's going to. I'll stretch more than that. So let me check if I can see another one, or I'll start installing my script fonts. No. Nah. Maybe this is better. Let's see if I can see another one. Alright, let's not take the whole time. So let's get okay. So for the color of this, let's get this color there. Now I'm going to put in the theme of the meeting, redemption. Redemption. So I'm going to change the font of this to okay, maybe Morganite black or something. There's this particular font I'm looking for. It will be very nice if I'm able to use it. Redemption and forgiveness. Let me increase the padding for this. Not size. Increase the padding for this. For the color, let's pick this color. So redemption and forgiveness. It's okay. So now this forgiveness, I'm going to change the color. I'll pick a color from the background. I just hope it doesn't bring in the old colors. That is the problem now. Okay, so let me check. It's around red, so I'm just going to come to red, pick red from here, and maybe something like this. Redemption. Okay, it's remaining a little. It's not really. Okay, so I'll make it a little lighter. So hit this, make it a little lighter. Okay, let's make it darker, lighter like this. Okay. Either this color or let's say redemption and forgiveness. Let's make it white and see. So it can be white as well. Okay. It's okay to be white. So for the redemption, now the forgiveness has to go below this because I want to add something like a shadow effect there. So bring it below this and then click plus sign. Click this what's it called there? A sticker. Just leave it, hit this and then hit it, enlarge it like this. I'm going to bring it down here, copy it and take it on it as well. So I'm going to merge two of them like we did for the other one. Merge both of them. So don't forget to lock this other don't forget to lock these other ones so that they don't move around. Okay. Presents. Okay, this is locked already. So now that this is meshed, so I'll just go to color, enable it, and pick black for it. Take it below this, and take it below the redemption. So it's going to have an effect on the forgiveness. So you can see that's kind of like it's redemption and forgiveness. So the and is what I'm going to write right now. So you're going to change the font to medium. And then for the background color, black, this, I think this is okay. So just take the left padding, right padding, bottom, okay, top, bottom, 2. Let's reduce it. So the right can go forward, the left can go forward. 22. Let's see what I have. So we can just tilt it, reduce it. All right, so we have redemption and forgiveness. So the next thing we are going to have is which conference that can present redemption and forgiveness. So this is youth, the present youth image. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, just hit the forgiveness and just copy it. So I'm going to call it youth image. Present youth image. You can put youth image with pastor here. Alright, but I think the way we have put it already, I'm just going to leave it like that. Because there's a way people eyes view things, okay? You're likely to check the with pastor before this youth image, but from this present, it's supposed to be youth image. I'm going to just leave it like this. Alright, so now the other thing I'm going to do, you can just create something around that, like an outline, I think I'm just going to leave that like that, okay? Now, after that, let's say this is the theme, okay? So I'm just going to put this as a theme. Okay. For the font, oh shit, medium, hit okay. The spacing, we're going to increase the spacing. The theme is redemption and forgiveness. So after this, the next thing we're going to do is just to put the dates and the venue. So I'll hit my shape tool, and then I'm going to just put everything right here. The color, enable it, then we're going to add this gradient color that we used for the last design we did. So just make this a little bit darker. Now position this at the center. Okay, so we're going to write the dates here, the dates, the venue, the time. So we have Wednesday to Friday. Wednesday to Friday. This is the first thing. For this, I'm going to put Montserrat board, extra board. Then how to reduce the spacing. Copy it. Third to fourth. Third to fifth. This third to fifth. I'm going to copy this, reduce it, and write June 2026. So I'll just position this one such a way that, okay, so this is the date, time. Just going to copy this particular one, right? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. every day. Let me reduce this font width to maybe bold or semi-bold. So I'll pick it for the venue. This is for tutorial sake. So I just put it. The reason why I will do this is so that people don't make a mistake that this is a real program. You understand? So just reduce this and then all right. So for the alignment, I have to align it this other side. So yeah. Now that we have this, we can decide to segment this. Just click position it this way, and then copy. So how do you bring it down? Center down to the earth. Then position, take it up. All right, so we're gonna have another thing is create graphics tutorials. I think let me just delete this first and use this presents. I'm going to align this to the center and position it right at the middle. Take it up a little bit. Okay, the middle. And here we have it. So this is the church flyer we just created. Redemption and forgiveness. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video. Now if you want to edit it further, we have to just take it to Snapseed and then we'll do further edits there. Thank you for watching. Do have a good time. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share the video and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.